Elon Musk has been in most of the headlines for the year 2021. Forbes' first billionaire with a net worth now estimated to be close to or above $300 billion. He's well known as the CEO of Tesla, SpaceX, the Boring Business, Neuralink, and among other companies. Despite all of his titles, Elon Musk lives in a far less expensive home than one of his Tesla automobiles. By this, Elon Musk is slowly entering into another industry, the real estate industry, by introducing this new Tesla tiny house for sustainable living. So, what is this house made of? And is it that sustainable to even suit the needs of a high caliber person like Musk? Well, stay tuned to find out more. Hello guys, and welcome back to Tech Elon Musk, where we discuss Elon Musk news, Tesla news, SpaceX news, and much more news about Elon Musk. Well, Tesla's new tiny home is designed to be environmentally friendly. Elon Musk and his firm are always coming up with fresh concepts that capture keen attention. They like being original and creative properly, which has allowed them to achieve global dominance. The firm has just created another new product and appears to be entering a new market. Tesla has unveiled its new spick and span home. It has more characteristics than one would anticipate from a house its size. But what does it take to build a successful, innovative business? Well, it isn't simple, but there are a few things that can assist. Positive corporation culture is one of the most significant factors, and Tesla is shown to be one of the most innovative businesses globally. Tesla's success has been attributed to its inventions and concepts, which have made electric automobiles aspirational and enticing, causing waves with its solar roof tiles, killing the duck, and distracting the fossil fuel status quo with its large grid-sized batteries. Musk's interest in living in a tiny house is understandable, given Tesla's commitment to sustainability. On the other hand, it's also quite surprising given Musk's wealth and children. Elon Musk's primary abode is currently not some opulent mansion that we all know he can afford. Instead, he lives in a $50,000 small cottage near SpaceX Boca Chica, Texas Research and Testing Center. Musk announced in June that the majority of his assets had been sold. So why did Elon sell his multi-million-dollar properties and move into a $50,000 prefab home? He declared in June that he'd chosen to sell his last home. This isn't a surprising move. According to his Twitter statement, he owns just one residence in the San Francisco Bay Area, which he rents out for parties. He reportedly chose to sell the mansion due to a ProPublica article stating that American billionaires like Jeff Bezos and Warren Buffett seldom pay their fair share of taxes, if they pay any at all. According to the survey, the wealthiest CEOs in America barely pay a fraction of their wealth in taxes, even though their total wealth continues to grow. In a reply tweet on June 9th, he mentioned his previous address, which he said he sold all of his houses except the one in Bay Area, which he rents out for events. Musk is working on sustainable energy for Earth with Tesla and protecting the future of consciousness by making life multiplanetary with SpaceX, as well as AI risk mitigation with Neuralink and traffic congestion with Boring. On June 14th, he announced his intention to start working on sustainable living when he previously stated that his primary abode is a $50,000 property in SpaceX near Boca Chica. So, he recently officially unveiled Tesla's new small house by exposing this. Through Boca Chica, he's constructing his own space colony. He's created so many fantastic initiatives in the last 7 years, and based on his track record, he's capable of creating Starbase, about which the rest of the world knows very little. Boca Chica is a tiny town on Texas's southernmost coast, where Elon Musk's SpaceX established a base there. For over a year, he had his sights set on it. In March 2021, he announced that it would be renamed Starbase. SpaceX is establishing a new facility in Texas to serve the satellite-based broadband provider Starlink to boost its investments in the southern US state. Perhaps Musk won't need to dwell on Earth for much longer, since he aims to inhabit many planets by 2026, including Mars. When Elon sold all he possessed to move into this strange flat, one would expect him to live in opulent homes, despite his billionaire status. Musk would obviously want to live there because the house's design is outstanding. Too many people are surprised to find Elon Musk's home in Starbase, Texas is a 20-foot by 20-foot box, produced in bulk rather than a magnificent palace. Yes, Musk is now living in a 400 square foot studio apartment. Boxable, a construction firm that specializes in easy-to-assemble housing modules, constructed his home. The cost of a house built through the usage of these boxes begins at $50,000. The sum does not include the cost of landscaping permits or utility hookups. The Boxable houses are very affordable. Boxable shared a video of the home in November to reveal the business had been built for a high-profile and top-secret customer in Boca Chica. It was not hard to guess who that was, because Musk doesn't lack the money to complete the details. Even Boca Chica isn't exactly a hub of celebrity, and by design, Musk doesn't lack the money to fall in this category. This unique residence was designed to fulfill the demands of a top-secret customer. Boxable dwellings are manufactured in factories and made by foldable into shipping containers using steel, concrete, and EPS foam. It's relatively simple to find out what's inside the mystery house. They spent years figuring out which materials would not degrade, and the walls, floors, and roofs are all composed of laminated panels, allowing them to ride on highways. In certain areas, pre-ordering is possible. However, there's additional fees for remote locations. The $50,000 price includes delivery and unpacking. However, permits and other fees may be required. The layout consists of plumbing, electricity, and air conditioning pre-installed and ready to connect. Inside, you can see how the 375 square feet of living area may be modified by merging various modules. It's completely furnished and equipped with a studio setup. There's also a 10-foot ceiling with plenty of windows and doors. The compact size does not negate the presence of a full-size kitchen, with refrigerator, double sink, dishwasher, and counters that run the length of the walls, forming a dining area. It also has a low carbon impact, so that you may build your home almost any place. Musk was very precise when he placed it near SpaceX, where his launch facility is at Boca Chica in Texas. There's no longer a need to commute, and these dwellings are quite durable. Believe it or not, even the Tesla Model X can tow it around. Remember that the Model X is valued at $79,990, which is significantly more than the home. So maybe now we know why Elon made this decision. You might be wondering why he had to get rid of all those homes when he could afford to keep them. Well, it looks like Musk was only trying to be a good citizen by paying his taxes. Musk did not possess a fancy boat, unlike the majority of the world's billionaires. He also doesn't own a multi-million-dollar properties that are not making him money. For years, Musk has been striving to live this way. It's hardly unexpected that, despite his repeated assurances, he's downsized his residence. Musk does not appear to be remorseful about his decision. However, it's very cool. Elon Musk may be the fun-loving billionaire we all know and love, but we might all learn something from him. And perhaps we can emulate Elon Musk. At long last, in comparison to his colleagues, he has the lowest carbon emissions, yet he's touched the most industries. We all know that Musk banned Bitcoin payments for Tesla automobiles due to environmental concerns, as he considered sustainability to be a basic value at Tesla. It's understandable that he chose to live in a little space. The Boxable home is an incredibly energy-efficient residence, according to the company, because it was built using insulating technologies and uses LED lighting, both of which enhanced resident comfort and savings. The houses are tough, with a snow load capability of 90% of North America and the ability to adapt to accommodate the snow in the remaining 10%. The tiny houses consume less energy and take up less room than traditional residences. Therefore, they have a lower environmental effect. And that's all for today's video, guys. What do you think of Tesla's new tiny house? Would you like one of these? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on updates about Elon Musk. Thank you for watching,